Is the second generation Apple Pencil worth the price point? Let's find out. I have never used an Apple Pencil before in my life, so we're not only gonna unbox it together, but we're also going to see how easy it is for someone who's completely new to this thing to figure it out and see whether or not it is indeed worth the price. Let's go. Alrighty, let's get it. Comes with a very convenient pull tab so that we're able to unwrap the plastic without needing to use any kind of sharp tools. So it has another pull tab to easily get it out. So yeah, here we go. This might be the quickest unboxing video ever. Ooh, nice. It slides out very nicely. So maybe I'll keep this box as a pencil case for it. And yeah, there it is. Ooh, it feels really smooth. Like this feels like a traditional wooden pencil. Since I recently got a paper field protective cover for my iPad Pro and have this Apple Pencil, then I think that my experience using this is really going to feel like writing on traditional paper with a traditional pencil. Looks like it comes with some quick start instructions. The official Apple Pencil attaches magnetically to the iPad Pro, and it looks like that is also how you charge it. You can double tap it to change modes. Gonna have to look into what the different modes are. And it looks like the tip can be screwed off to replace it. Yeah, that screws off really easily, and it feels exactly like a pencil lead. This is really eerie. Even though it feels like a pencil, I want to note too that this tip is blunted, so yeah, it doesn't seem like any kind of safety hazard for those with small children that might be using this. According to the quick start instructions, in order for me to pair it and start using it, since right now it's not going to do anything, I need to attach the pencil to the side of the iPad here next to the volume buttons. There's like a magnet over here, so let's go ahead and try that. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty cool. And now that that pencil is paired, my iPad is very responsive to it. Let's try to write. There we go. Hello. My handwriting looks like kindergartners because I don't really handwrite anymore. When the pencil is paired, you can also still alternatively use your hand, so that is good to know. Editing experience is pretty smooth. I'm totally editing another one of these part review videos in here. I will say that, at least with my editing program, this does feel like it will give me more precision with trimming clips and making edits than if I were to use my whole hand. I'm doing my color grading right now. I definitely feel a lot more control over the slider using the Apple Pencil compared to if I were just use my fingers like I usually do. So I can hit very precise numbers and just establish my normal color grade right there. So after a quick first test, do I think that the second generation Apple Pencil is worth it? My honest answer is I think it depends. If you're purchasing an iPad just to use it for watching TV shows or more casual everyday tasks, then you might not need something like this. But if you are a content creator, an artist, an industry professional, or anyone who's working with graphics, drawing, or even video editing, then I can see how this could be a really useful addition to have compared to just using your fingers. It does seem to give you a lot more precision when you're working with footage and editing. I wish that I could demonstrate illustrating, but I'm not an illustrator myself, but I could definitely see how this would, of course, give you more control than trying to draw with your fingers. I do also think that there's some value that it has in returning things to a more natural pen and paper type of feel, like quite literally. And I do think it's kind of neat that it can just magnetically attach to your iPad like that and charge without having to carry around an additional charger. So if you're an industry professional, an aspiring artist, or someone who just likes to draw and write and create things, then yeah, definitely consider picking up a second generation Apple Pencil 2 for yourself.